Alright, hello everyone, this is going to be a little tutorial on how to install the recovery and Cyanogenmod on the LG G2. I have the Sprint variant, but if you know your phone's model number, you should be able to follow this guide anyways, because you'll need the specific version of Cyanogenmod for your phone and a specific version of the recovery. Now, I'll have a link to everything that I have open here currently. Here's the thing, I will have a link to this guide as well, but I tried using the FreeG app, which says my device is not supported, so I'm going to try the auto recovery installer, which links me to this XDA page, which I'm going to download the one for my phone, which is the LS980. So you're going to download this APK from the XDA forum. Just hit begin download. Alright, hit primary download, continue, save. Alright, now we're going to wait for that to save. While the next thing you're going to do is actually plug your device into your computer, like that. And once the file is done downloading, you're going to want to transfer the file onto your phone's SD card. So you're going to open that up and just find that file. Bring back the other window, which is somewhere here. There we go. Like so, drag, drop, and now we wait. Alright, once it's finished copying, you close out of those windows. We can go back to this. Alright, now the rest is going to be done on the phone. What you're going to then need to do is actually open up a file manager and browse, whoops, yeah, you're going to browse towards your SD card, and then you're going to open the APK file, hit install. Let it install. Alright, once it's installed, you hit open. Granted super user access. Yeah, this app will modify the phone device's partitions. If you don't know what that means, it's basically gonna modify the way the storage is split on the device. That can be dangerous, so do proceed at your own risk. I'm going to hit yes anyways, and flash recovery. There we go. And now before we reboot to recovery, the next thing you want to do is you're going to go back to your computer, and you're going to want to download the specific version of Cyanogenmod for your device. In this case, I'm going to be downloading the nightly build, which is CM12.1, which I've already have on my desktop, and I'm also going to download the specific Google apps. Now, the Google apps are like Google Play Store, Gmail, YouTube, that kind of stuff. It includes that. If you want those apps, do download the Google app package. So I already have that on my desktop, which is right here. Now we're going to go back to the device, browse back to it, internal storage, and now we're just going to simply copy these onto there. I don't know why I have these so at the bottom of the screen, but just copy, drag and drop. Alright, we'll let that copy in the meanwhile. Give it a couple seconds. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, now once that's done copying, you can go ahead and hit reboot to recovery on the app, and it should now reboot your phone into recovery. You can unplug your phone from your computer, and now we wait. There we go. As you can see, you're now in the Team Win recovery. Now, in order to install Cyanogenmod, you must wipe your phone. I cannot say this enough. This will erase all data on your device. If you have any data that's important, such as contacts, pictures, make sure you pause it. Well, before you pause the video, hit reboot, go back up all your files, and then come back to this video. But if you really don't care about anything on your device, you may proceed. So the first thing we're going to do is a wipe. So you're going to hit just swipe to factory reset. Whoop. There we go. I don't know what was going on there, but the back button was being a bit finicky. Alright, so next thing you want to do is you're going to go to install. And now the first thing you're going to do is browse for the Cyanogenmod zip, which you put on the root of the SD card. So you can scroll all the way down, select CM12.1 or whatever the name of the zip file is. You're going to select that first. Do not install the GApps first, or else that's going to mess everything up. So you're going to install this first, and we're going to hit swipe to confirm flash. This phone does not like my fingers, I'll tell you that much. Alright, there we go. So we're going to let it install. This may take a few minutes, so just don't worry if it looks like it's not doing anything. Do not reboot your phone if it looks like it's frozen, because this can brick your device. Alright, now that it's done, you can hit back. Oh, just hit home, honestly, because I don't know what's going on with that back button. You're going to hit install again. Scroll all the way down, select GApps, swipe to confirm again. Come on, just work. Come on. There we go. Alright, now that it's done, we hit back, we hit reboot, and we're going to reboot to the system. And now we wait. It should boot straight into Cyanogenmod. It may take a few minutes because this is the first boot, and it's going to go through configuring all the apps. As you can see, the Cyanogenmod logo has appeared, and it's going to take a few minutes because it's going to configure the system for the first time, and it's going to run all the services and apps for the first time. So if it looks like it's doing nothing, don't worry about it, just give it a few minutes. Well, if it's stuck for too long, then you may need to reflash the phone. Alright, there we go. As you can see, it booted up straight in the Android. I don't think my phone camera is picking that up very well, but it says Android is starting optimizing apps. So give it a few more seconds. Alright, so as you can see, it's done optimizing the apps. It's just finishing the boot. Give it a few more seconds and we should be in the Cyanogenmod environment. There we go. You're just going to want to program, well, not program, but you're going to want to set up the phone you would normally. So I'm just going to skip all these settings for now, just to show you guys the home screen. Yeah, we're going to ignore that. Come on. Couldn't sign in, whatever, we're just gonna hit next. We're gonna skip that for now. Just hit next, next, start. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, everything, yeah, I got it, don't worry about it. Alright, so as you can see, we're at the home screen. Looks all fancy, all the buttons work. Now you got your app drawer, everything, settings, Wi-Fi works, alright. And you got the Play Store, so everything seems to be working. Yeah, don't worry about that. We'll just close out of that for now. And yeah, that's it. Didn't really take much, honestly. This is about, what, 12 minutes in, and hopefully you guys are successful in installing Cyanogenmod and a recovery on your device. Hope you all enjoy. Leave a like if it worked out for you. Leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. And do subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.